Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you very much for tuning into this video. I'm going to give you an idea of the type of observations you need to be doing approaching a roundabout, especially mini roundabouts. And this is in Bradford. We are on Little Horton Lane. We will be coming across two roundabouts and we shall be doing them together, okay? So I'm following the road ahead. I'm now looking in my mirrors, just seeing what's going on around me. Speed wise, I'm doing 21 miles an hour. I'm approaching my first roundabout. I've identified it's a T-junction. I will be turning right. So check my mirrors, not signalling. Check my mirrors again, not signalling. Check my mirrors, signal right, aim for the lane on the right, assess the roundabout. You'll see that I'm looking over my blind spot. I can see the silver car wanting to come out. He will come out. There's a black car on my right, an Audi, blue one. He's coming out. I'm looking in my left over. I can see a van quite far back. Ahead of me is a car coming, but it's coming very fast, but it's not enough time or space for me to turn right at the roundabout. So I'm looking to my right, assessing all these cars will be going before I go. I'm looking ahead as well to see what's going on. The vehicle in front of me is turning right, turning left. That means I need to make sure there's nobody coming from here. There is nobody. Now I'll come on to the roundabout. The hardest roundabouts to deal with are mini roundabouts. Big ones are easy. We'll get to a big one soon and you'll see that I'll kind of glide round that roundabout. Whereas these are a lot harder. Why are they harder? Simply because there's less space for mistakes. At the next roundabout we're going ahead, we're going to take the first exit on the first roundabout, second exit on the second. So I'm looking to my right, seeing what's going on, right mirror check. Look in all my mirrors to see what's going on. Come to the left of the road, so I'm in the lane on the left. And you'll see that I'm looking in my right door mirror and I'm looking to my right. Once the young lady's gone, I know it's safe. Look in my right door mirror again, looking at anyone approaching on my right. There is a red car. He's now signalling right. I need to give way to. So you'll see I look to my right and I look in front. I need to know what's going on ahead of me, especially anyone from the second roundabout turning right. Now this car's turned. Now as he turns, I'm looking at the black taxi. Move my head across. He's not coming across. I'll carry on. That's the second roundabout I've dealt with. And you'll see that this post over here is a blind spot. So I look to the left and I look to the right of the same blind spot to make sure that just in case there's signal later, I've actually seen the signal and I'm able to deal with it. At the next roundabout I'll be turning right, third exit. And you'll see I'm looking in my mirrors, not random. I'm looking in, I'm timing my mirror checks. I'll be turning right this roundabout. Mirrors, signal, I'm in gear 4. I'm going to be turning round in gear 2. So slot into gear 2, closed roundabout. So I'm going to pause for a second because a white car has just popped out. Right mirror check, and this is a big roundabout. So check my mirrors. As I go past the second exit, signal left, left mirror check, slowly let the steering wheel straighten itself up. There you are guys. Cancel my signal so it's not misleading. I've read the sign on the left telling me I'm approaching a crossroad that I have priority on because I'm going forwards and they will meet me. Speed limit's dropped to 20, making sure I'm doing 18. Into gear 2 for a second so it drops my speed and I'll travel at a slower speed. There you are guys. So it's not as hard as you think it is. Practice makes perfect, inshallah. So as long as you're practicing, as long as you understand the mistakes you're making, as long as you're working better with your mistakes, hopefully inshallah you'll do well and you'll succeed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.